Hi everyone, I'm Terry and I'm nuts about stamping. I'm back today with another Sundays with Sizzix project. I am going to make a goodbye, good luck friend card with the help of my Big Shot and two stamp sets, my Best Birds stamp set and my Banners for You. I'm going to combine a lot of different colors and a lot of different products today to make this card. And I actually was inspired by a card map challenge and thought I'm going to give this a go and I'm going to record it as I go along. All right, so my card base is going to be fresh fig. I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5. I've scored it on the 4 1/4 mark, but I am going to tuck that away for right now because I have a lot of other things that I want to get ready and die cut on my Big Shot before putting everything together. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the bird from the Best Bird stamp set using fresh fig. I'm going to stamp it down and I'm going to die cut that out in a minute. I'm also going to stamp the flower from the Best Birds stamp set using Berry Burst, and I'm going to die cut that out as well. All right, so I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and this is one of the first things I'm going to do. I have some other things to do in a minute, but first things first. Okay, I have my sandwich is my magnetic platform. I've got my bottom standard cutting pad, and I've got the bird with the framelit around it, and I've got the flower with the framelit around that. Then I'm going to put on the top standard cutting pad, hold everything in place, and then run it through the Big Shot. Right, so I've got my bird and I've got my flower. Two of the elements that I wanted to have on my card. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the stamps from the Banners for You stamp set. I'm going to ink it up using Dapper Denim. And I'm going to stamp it down on a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock. It's the first time I've used this stamp, can you tell? There, I think let's try that. Ah, lovely. All right, and then I have two phrases mounted and ready to go. Here they are. I have the goodbye and good luck. So let's do goodbye in Berry Burst. It's actually goodbye and then good luck I'm going to do in Fresh Fig. It does help if you stamp right way up. Excellent. Not a lot of color differentiation between the two, but when I put it all together on the card, it'll likely pull it all together. Hopefully it will. All right, so I'm going to bring back in my Big Shot. I'm going to use the same sandwich that I did for the other two. Put my banner framelit on top. Okay. Put my top standard cutting pad on and run it through as well. Okay, so there we go. That's quite cute. All right, so now I have a card base that's fresh fig, and then this layer of Whisper White is going to go on top, And what I want to do is ink up this kind of background crosshatch stamp from the Best Birds. And I'm just going to peel this bird off for now and clean it in a little bit. And I am going to bring in a scrap piece of grid paper because I want to stamp off before stamping on. So I'm going to ink this up, and I don't want it to be really dark, so I'm going to stamp off, and then I'm going to stamp on, and then I'm going to ink it up again, and I'm going to stamp off, and I'm going to stamp on like so. All right, so now, there's one more thing I need to do with my Big Shot, is I want to die cut a lemon lime twist circle. There's a lot of products happening today. So let me bring back in my Big Shot. Same sandwich as before. I forgot I was going to do this. I could have done it all at the same time, but it doesn't matter. All right, so now let's put this all together. I've got my lemon lime twist circle, and I'm going to use some snail adhesive. And I'm going to put the circle in the center. And then to that, I am going to add some leaves, and I have my leaf punch, and I'm going to punch out 2 from that scrap and 1 from this scrap. Now I'm going to bring in my bird and my banner. So let's get the banner going like so. I could pop it up, but actually I kind of like it flat. So let's try it flat. Okay, like this. And I'm going to have the bird, maybe I'll have the bird a little bit over, and let's try Stampin' Dimensional on the bird. So we'll pop the bird up off the page, like so, and then let's have, see. A couple of leaves. Maybe like that. That would be kind of pretty. Right, so I'm going to bring in my snail. Just put a little dab of snail. And I'm going to lift this up a little bit. So I've got 1 leaf there, second leaf happening here, and then my 3rd leaf over here. I guess they're little leaves or branch, a short branch. Like so. And then I've got this little flower that I want to pop up. Let's see if a Stampin' Dimensional will fit on the back of that. Yes, it will, without showing through. So I'll pop that up like that. I am liking this card. All right, then I'm going to turn this over and put lots of snail on the back because I have lots of elements on the front. And then I will adhere this like that. And there we go. That's a really quick and easy and really cute goodbye and good luck card that hopefully I won't have to use very soon because I love the people that I work with. But just in case, it's nice to have something tucked away. For a complete listing to have all of the supplies and the measurements for the cardstock, please head to my blog, www.nutsaboutsstamping.com. While you're on my blog, don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletters. I send a newsletter each week with a project idea that you won't see anywhere else. I'll also have a link on my blog in case you want to place an order for the products I use to make this card. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you create something beautiful today too. Bye for now.